Listen up. When it comes to transforming landscapes, no one even comes close to the sheer force of Truco Services. Trees standing in your way? Consider them dust. I have trucks, chainsaws, and heavy machinery that will level trees of any size faster than you can blink. Then I'll leave your property pristine. But I don't stop there. I'm the only one with the vision and brawn to build you jaw-dropping custom landscapes from the ground up. My team will construct an outdoor space so stunning yet functional that it'll leave your competitors in the dust. And wait till you see our show-stopping holiday lighting displays. They'll put Rockefeller Center to shame. Need a venue where you can host the most unforgettable weddings? I'll construct breathtaking backdrops that will wow any bride and groom. When winter strikes, I'll ruthlessly annihilate snow, keeping access clear no matter how hard it piles up. For 15 years, I've dominated commercial landscaping, and I'm not stopping now. You need trees removed, landscapes designed, or snow plowed. I'll execute it flawlessly. Don't wait until you're stuck in a blizzard or under a fallen tree. Call Truco Services at 801-466-8044 and watch me employ an arsenal of tools to turn your business into a year-round showcase. Other landscapers can't hang with me. I get the job done right, period.